See guys, I'm going to tell you the truth that no one has ever told you in this video. Forgetting about people that told you that they have grew their followers from 0,000 to 10,000 to 5,000 in just 1 week. Don't believe all of those things. They are all liars, right? So stay till the end of this video while I'm going to show you the tricks and the hacks I use in growing my followers. Okay, before I get started into the video, I came across the particular video yesterday on my Facebook page. That video was done by MC Mbotosombo. I don't know, sorry if I did not pronounce the name very well. So I came across this video, and guess what the video was all about? There was one guy with him there in the video, and the guy bought like this guy bought a Facebook page of over, I think, how many followers? I cannot even recall the number of followers that he bought, but I knew that the follower was huge. Okay, and when this guy bought this page for over 100,000. If you know MC Mbotosombo, go and search for his name on Facebook and search among his videos. You are going to see this particular video I'm talking about. So this guy bought these followers, sorry, this page with this plenty of followers, and the person told him that the page was monetized. Do you know what happened? The followers kept dropping from that amount. As of the time that he recorded the video, he has 706 followers. This is somebody that bought a page or a Facebook account that has over how many thousand followers or millions followers. See, don't go and buy followers. All these ghost followers that people are buying, it's not helping you at all. You go to a particular site to buy robot, to buy boat, and you have 1 million followers, but yet they are not engaging on your post. But yet they are not like they are not active. They are just there, and at the end of the day, they will start leaving one by one. Those people that are not your target audience, right? So stay to the end of this video, which I'm going to show you the tips and tricks I use in growing my Facebook followers. Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are seeing my face for the first time, you are welcome. I'm so glad to have you here. Please do well to like this video, leave your comment in the comment section, and also do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad you do that. So to my old and returning subscribers, I love you. Thank you all for stopping by to watch this amazing video, because this video is an eye-opener to everybody looking for a way to grow his or her followers in order for you to be eligible for Facebook monetization. So I want to share my secret and my hacks or my tricks with you on how I grew my Facebook followers from 2.7 thousand followers to 5,000 followers in just a week, guys. I tried this hacks and it works perfectly for me, and that is what I'm going to share with you in this video, right? I got stuck in 2.7 thousand followers for a while, and it never moved. So, and I now tried this app. When I now heard that Nigerian is not eligible for monetization, I decided to try this app. The first thing that you need to do is for you to optimize your page. Okay, you don't want people to come to your page and they don't find your page fun to be with it. You don't want people to come to your page and your page is looking tata, like, I don't know if you are trying to get what I'm saying in those videos. So let me move it to the other side of my screen. So when you come, so this is my profile, sorry, this is my account. So you click on where you see my profile picture. So when you click on that, you are going to see something like this. You are going to see where my cover photo is. You are going to see where my profile picture is. You can see all of these things, guys. So you just need to like put a cover photo and let that cover photo represent you. Let that cover photo represent your brand, what your, like, what that particular profile or page is all about, right? Then for your profile picture, you can just get a headshot. Like, you can just go to a studio and snap a headshot of it. It could cost you 1,500 or 1,000, or better still, if you have a good phone camera, or if you can edit very well, you can do well to snap and edit. So when I scroll down, you now click on where you see these three lines here. Okay, so you now click on that. So when you click on the three lines, it's going to, sorry guys, don't know where I'm going to. So you now click on edit here. So when you click there, so you can choose to edit your profile picture and choose any photo. I've done that already for mine. So you now come to where you see your cover photo. You see what my cover photo is all about. So if I want to edit this my cover photo, I'll just go ahead and click here to edit, sorry, to change it or whatever. I've done that already, so, and there's no need for that. So you now come to your bio. Like, your bio should be about what your page is all about. Yes, what will you known for? If people come to your page, you can see this my bio here. That's good. So you now come to your details here. From here you can now choose your category. We have a lot of categories: actor, artist, blogger, chef, comedian, all of those stuff like that. You have all of them. So you just go ahead and choose the one that best suits you. Okay, so for me, I choose digital creator. Your own will not be the same with mine. So what you need to do next is to click on these pronouns. Okay, then if you are a guy, you choose him or his. Then if you are a girl, you choose she and I. You can see it already on my own. So I'll just go back and you save it after you might have typed it, and you just go ahead and save it. So after that, you now come to where you work. You now come to your education, where you study. Okay, you now come here and fill all of these things, guys. So from there, you can now put your current, sorry, yeah, current town or city. So this your current town or city does not necessarily mean that it has to be where you are staying. You can choose to put a place like Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, New York. Okay, let's assume you have a physical business. Sorry, let's assume you have a physical business, right? So you can go ahead and put the location of where that your business is situated so that people can identify you so easily, right? So you do that. So from there, you now move to your hometown and you feel where you are from. As for me, I'm from Akwa Ibom. You now put your relationship. After that, you go ahead and click on save. So after clicking on save, you now scroll down to where you see links. Okay, so you can put your links here because you want your people, like you want people to like get to some of your social media platform. So from where, if I click on edit here, you can see my social media links. Okay, so for these social media links, you keep it on public. You can see that if I click on, sorry, if I, you can see that if I click on our social media links, okay, the list of platform comes up, right? There will be list of platform coming up: Instagram, Thread, Twitter, Snapchat, YouTube, all of those stuff. If it's YouTube, you click on YouTube. You click on YouTube, then you go ahead and type your YouTube username so that if people click on the link, they will be directed to your YouTube. Okay, you put your website link. As for me, I put my YouTube link as my website link so that people can from here come to my YouTube stuff. So I will go back, and that is how you can optimize your profile. Okay, so when you come here, you are going to see our about info, everything you feel there. This is where you are going to see them and all of those stuff like that. Okay, so remember I told you that I created this my page on June 2023, right? Okay, let me show you that in the video. You can see it right here on my screen. This page, when I created this page, you can see it 20. Number two on my list is content strategy. What I mean by content strategy is that there are so many kinds of content, right? We have write-ups, we have videos, and we also have pictures. But I would have prefer you post mostly videos, because when your page is eligible for monetization, Facebook is going to pay you per views on your video. They are going to pay for those views you have on your videos, not by the engagement on your picture or on your write-up, right? So that's another thing I want to talk about. Okay, you need to post an engaging content, an educative content, something that will attract the attention of. So okay, let's assume I come to your page or I come across your Facebook for the first time. Let what I'm seeing there, let it be able to attract me, to enable me to click on the subscribe button. And another thing you need to do is that after creating this engaging content, you always need to like add call to action, because a lot of people will not just watch your video and they'll click on the follow button to follow you. Sometimes they will need you to remind them, okay, please don't forget to like, share, before some people will even like the video even after watching the video for a while. So you always need to put a call to action in your video so that people can easily like your video and follow you for more amazing tips and tutorials. Another thing about content strategy is that you going for a live stream. Consider going for a live stream because it really helps a lot, right? You don't have to go for live stream. Let me just show you that on my screen. Right, when you come to your screen, you see what is on your mind. Okay, so you now click on what is on your mind. So after clicking on that, you'll be able to see live video. Okay, so you click on this live video. That is how you can go on live. Okay, so let's go back because we are not doing that today. So that's how you can go on live. So that also helps a lot. Okay, it also gives you the engagement that you want and all of those stuff like that. So another thing that can also help you to grow is for you to engage with your audience. It's very, very necessary and it's very, very important for the growth of your page. Okay, you post something and somebody commented, likes, always try to reply to those comments on your post. Another thing I want to talk about is leverage on Facebook groups. Do well to join Facebook groups, like search for group related to what you are doing. If at this point you are still watching me and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I don't know what else you are waiting for. Just go ahead and click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because by so doing they are telling the YouTube algorithm that this person is doing a great work on the app and you people are really enjoying, and they will keep on pushing this video to as many people that may need it right now. So always go ahead and subscribe. Have you subscribed? Thank you very much for subscribing. That thing that will also help your post to go viral, that will make people come to follow your page, is you using hashtags. See, don't doubt the power of hashtag, because your post can fly. I can tell you that some of my videos I made, do you know that people in USA, in United Kingdom, are watching that video right now while me, I'm here in Nigeria. You could imagine that. So hashtag has a higher chance of making your post go viral. So whenever you are posting, do well to add relevant hashtags depending on the topic you are posting, or depending on what you are talking, or depending on what your video is all about. Okay, another way for you to get followers is by doing paid advertisement, like it's by running advert on your page or on your profile for you to get followers. So if you don't have to run adverts, I did a post on how you can run advert for page likes, for followers on your page. So I don't know, you can go just check up here to see the video, or I'm going to link it up in the description box. But in case you have not seen it, guys, you can check my video, you are going to find it right there. Okay, so what I want to show you now, another thing, which is boost posts. Maybe you have posted a particular video or video, yeah, and you have seen that you have, like, that video has really, really do well, like you really, really have engagement on that video. You might just want to like boost that video to get to like to reach a higher number of persons, right? So I'm going to show you how you can do that while I'm moving you to the other side of my screen. So you come to one of your video, yeah, so you see something like boost post, so you just go ahead and click on the boost post, right? So after clicking on the boost post, just know that this boost post is just like you paying Facebook money to like show your video, or your video to get reach, like for your video to go viral, to reach so many persons, right? I always do well to check your analytics, your Facebook analytics. Know when you post and you get more engagement, know when your audience is more active. I made a video on the best time for you to post on Facebook. You can also check the video on my playlist, you will find it there. Apply all these methods in this video, and trust me, you will come back to tell me thank you. You come back for this page, and if you have not subscribed, know that you are missing out, because in this page I post a whole lot of things. So if you have not subscribed, I'm so sorry, you are missing out. Bye bye, guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video.